Hello students. Today we are going to learn mind mapping. Now what is mind mapping? A mind map is a diagram used to visually organize information. A mind map is hierarchical and shows relationships among pieces of the whole. It is often created around a single concept, drawn as an image in the center of a blank page, to which associated representations of ideas such as images, words, and parts of words are added. Major ideas are connected directly to the central concept, and other ideas branch out from those major ideas. Students, mind map is a visual map of your ideas. How would you make a mind map? As you could see in the diagram presented, begin the mind map with the main concept. Main concept, that is the central point, or you may call it main purpose of your mind mapping. So begin with the main concept in the center of a blank paper, then add branches of related ideas called as main point. To this main point, you add sub-branches for more relevant ideas. Keep listing out next to it. Students, you would go about it level by level, adding elements to the map one level at a time. That means, firstly, you add elements around the central topic, that are the main branches. Then, you add sub-branches to those main branches and keep exploring the topic. Let's see an example for better understanding. Suppose I ask you to name the different types of food. In your mind, you would think of variety of food, but you don't know which one to answer or which one could be the best answer. Hence, you will organize different types of food by its function and health benefits in your mind. So students, with the help of the given diagram, let's see the classification of food by its function. First is sugary food that contains large amount of calories. This food are not needed in the diet. If they are included, they should only be eaten in small amounts. If the portion are large, it can increase your risk of obesity. The next type of food is milk and dairy. They are a good source of energy and protein and contain a wide range of vitamins and minerals. They are rich in calcium, which growing children and young people need to build healthy bones and teeth. The next type of food is fish and meat, which gives you protein and iron for healthy blood. Fish is filled with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins, isn't it? So let's head over to the next type of food, vegetables. They are important sources of many nutrients, including potassium, dietary fiber, folic acid, vitamin A, C, etc. The next type of food are fruits. Fruits has been recognized as good source of vitamins, children, and also minerals, fiber. The nutrients in fruit are vital for health and maintenance of your body. Now let's head over to the last type of food, bread and cereals. They are good sources of fiber, carbohydrates, protein, and wide range of vitamins and minerals. So students, this is how you would classify the food by its function. Now you can go ahead and expand these food items into different categories. Then list the food items that comes in that category. So let's see the next example. So students, here in this diagram, I have further expanded the food items into different categories, including the list of food items that comes in that category. As you could see, categories of food. This is your central idea or the main idea of mind mapping. Next, as you could see the classification that I explained you earlier, this is your main point. And then the subpoints. So this is how you could keep expanding your mind mapping diagram. Now, you must be thinking, what is the use of mind maps to students? Why you are learning this? And how would you use this? So students, this strategy helps you to study. Students, anybody who has to deal with lots of information can benefit from mind mapping. This information can be found in your head, in books, documents of paper, in other people, etc. Students, you all could benefit from mind maps, believe me, to deal with your problem solving, group studies, making notes. In fact, you can use it in your everyday lectures to understand and memorize the vast or difficult concepts, and many more. So students, I hope you understood the concept of mind mapping. Now let us see some important guidelines that you need to note about mind mapping to answer it accurately. So students, before we go through the key points of mind mapping, let us quickly recapitalize the concept of mind mapping. So, you organize your thoughts around a central idea. Start from the center of the page and work towards the edges. For the first subheading or point, draw a line out from the circle in any direction. On this line or at the end of it, draw a picture or write a keyword to show this new point. Circle it too. Students, I have used a different shape in my diagrams. So even you can use any shape of your choice instead of a circle. So let us quickly go through the key points. The subject of attention is crystallized in a central image. The main themes of the subject radiate from the central image on branches. Make the center a clear and strong picture that shows the main point of the map. The appearance of the mind map is crucially important This is likely to be one of the first things an examiner sees when opening your answer book. So, students, first impressions count. Remember that. A mind map should have a clear and simple structure. So, see to it that you don't make a complicated structure which is difficult to understand. Your mind map should be clear and explicit. Avoid using too many colors unless required. Don't make a colorful and a vibrant diagram. Make use of less colors and make a precise mind mapping. Last, your map will resemble the spreading branches or roots of a tree. So, students, here we come to an end. I hope you understood the concept of mind mapping. Thank you.